perform a chiropractic adjustment for her neck, her mid back, and her low back. So her neck is really tight because she's been coughing, she's been sick, so we're going to help loosen things up. So we're just checking out the area we want to adjust. There's the spot right there. So we're in position. Okay. And now we're going to adjust the other side. Great. Now turn and lay on your side and face me this way. Rest your head right there. Okay. Straighten your bottom leg. Good. Right there. Good. Take a nice deep breath in. All the way out. There it goes. Good. Face the other direction. You're very stiff because you haven't been working out like you normally would. You can definitely feel that. Okay, rest your arm right there. Take a deep breath. All the way out. Good. And go face down.